Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock cells, protect sheets, and share in the Google Sheets. So if you don't want someone messing up your formulas or data in Google Sheets, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can lock specific cells, protect entire sheets, and control who can edit what. So why you need to lock cells and protect your sheets? Whether you're working with a team or just sharing with clients, you can prevent accidental edits and keep your work safe by using built-in protection tools in Google Sheets. So the steps are, first you just need to highlight the cells you want to lock. Let's say I want to lock this ones right here. And then you can just right click on the cells and tap on this view more cell actions, and you'll see the options to protect range. Tap on that, and then you can just add a descriptions, but this is optional. You can skip this part. After that, you can just click on set permissions, and here you can choose who can edit, whether it's only you or you can also add a custom editors. I'm going to just set it only me who can edit this one. You can just tap on done, and now those cells will be locked for anyone else unless you grant permissions. And next, if you want to protect the entire sheets, you can just click on the sheets tab at the bottom, this one. Click on the drop down, and in here choose the protect sheets options. And now you can just use uncheck this one, except center. You can also add some exceptions if you want to, but I'm going to just click on set permissions, and again I'm going to set it only you. Tap on done. Now this will stop others from making any changes to your sheet's structure. You can also control the sharing permissions by clicking on share at the top. In here under the general access, you can set to this one, whether it's viewer, so the others cannot edit. Commenter, they can comment only, and editor can change the content. I'm going to just set it as viewer, and here you can also invite people by email, this one, and choose their role individually, like this, for example. Go. So that's how you can lock cells, protect sheets, and control sharing in Google Sheets. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!